I'm metal detecting for copper in Michigan's Upper Peninsula. And here we are in the terminal moraine. You can see in the bottom of this hole here is a large copper specimen. You see I'm just pulling the edge of it. We don't know how far it goes underneath this rock, but we'll put a hook on it and see if we can dislodge it. Well, she broke loose. You can see they look like, and see some of this carbonate. I'll use a rock and break off some of that clay.